Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and a very big hello to everyone listening today. It is wonderful to be here with you.
It is wonderful. And Paul, you look very happy today. You are smiling a lot.
I am smiling. I am very, very happy. Do you know why?
Is it because of the coffee?
Well, the coffee is good, but no, it is because of the date. Look at the calendar, Emily.
Ah, I see. It is the end of the year.
Yes, it is December. The year is almost finished.
That is a very special time. Everyone is excited.
Exactly. I love this time of year. But before we talk about our holiday plans,
Oh, yes, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
please, if you like learning English with us, click the like button. It helps us a lot.
Yes, and please subscribe to the Mr. English channel. We want you to join our family.
And share this episode with your friends. English is better with friends.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Paul, so the end of the year.
The end of the year. It feels magical.
It does. But tell me, why are you specifically happy? Is it just the magic?
No, it is also the break, the rest.
Ah, yes, the break from work.
Yes, we call it a recess or just holidays. But for me, it means one thing: no alarm clock.
No alarm clock. That is the best sound, or the best silence.
The best silence. I'm tired, Emily. We worked hard this year.
We did work hard. We made many podcasts.
We did. And now I want to sleep.
Just sleep? That is your plan for the end of the year?
Well, sleep is number one, but I also like the atmosphere.
Me too. I like the decorations.
Oh, yes, the lights.
The lights are beautiful. Red, green, gold. Every street has lights now.
And the shops, they are playing music.
Ugh, the music. Sometimes the music is too loud in the shops.
That is true, but it makes me feel happy. It is a festive mood.
Festive. That is a nice word.
Yes, it means happy, celebrating, full of energy.
So, Paul, when do you stop working? When does your recess start?
My last day is Friday. After Friday, I am free.
Free as a bird.
Yes, and you?
Me too. Friday is the last day. We have a small party at the office.
A party. I like office parties. There's usually cake.
Yes, lots of cake and cookies. And we talk about things that are not work.
That is important, to talk about life, not just reports.
Exactly. So after the party, what do? Do you travel?
This year, no. I am staying home.
A staycation.
A staycation. Yes, I like that word. I will stay in my city, but I will visit my family.
That is nice. Family is the most important part of the holidays.
It is. My mother cooks a very big dinner.
Ooh, food. Let's talk about food.
I knew you would say that.
I love holiday food. What does your mother cook?
She makes a big turkey
Delicious.
and potatoes, many, many potatoes,
I love potatoes.
and vegetables, and for dessert, apple pie.
Apple pie. Oh, Paul, can I come to your house?
You are welcome, Emily. What about you? Do you cook?
I do. I love to cook for my friends. I make cookies.
Chocolate cookies?
Yes, and ginger cookies. They smell like Christmas.
I love that smell. The smell of baking. It makes the house feel warm.
Yes. So you eat and you sleep. What else?
Well, I also like to watch movies.
Old movies?
Yes, every year I watch the same movies.
Really? Why?
It is a tradition.
A tradition. That is a strong habit you do every year.
Yes, I watch funny holiday movies, I sit on my sofa, I eat my mother's pie, and I laugh.
That sounds perfect.
It is simple. I like simple. I don't want stress.
No stress. The end of the year should be peaceful.
But Emily, you are different. You have a lot of energy.
I do.
So, do you sleep on the sofa?
No, I am going to the beach.
The beach. Wow.
Yes, it is summer here. It is hot.
That is true. It is very hot.
So I want to swim in the ocean.
That sounds refreshing.
It is. I will go with my sister. We rented a small house near the water.
Very nice. Will you have a barbecue?
Of course. A barbecue on the beach?
That is very different from my turkey and sofa.
Yes, but both are good.
Exactly. Different ways to celebrate.
Do you buy gifts, Paul?
Gifts. Ah, yes, I buy gifts.
You sound stressed.
Buying gifts is hard. I never know what to buy.
It can be difficult.
What do I buy for my brother? He has everything.
Does he like socks?
Socks. No, socks are a boring gift, Emily.
No, socks are cozy. Everyone needs socks.
Okay, maybe funny socks, with a picture of a cat.
See, that is a good gift.
And the shopping malls are so busy now.
Oh, yes, the crowds. Too many people.
I try to buy gifts online. It is easier.
Smart. I like to make gifts.
You make them? Like, build them?
Sometimes. Or I bake cookies and put them in a nice box.
That is a wonderful gift. Handmade gifts are special.
They come from the heart.
Aw, that is nice. From the heart.
And it saves money.
That is also true. The end of the year can be expensive.
Very expensive. So we must be careful.
Emily, do you make resolutions?
Resolutions. You mean plans for the next year?
Yes, promises to yourself.
I usually do, but simple ones.
Like what?
Like drink more water or read more books.
Those are good. They're healthy.
What about you? Do you have a resolution for next year?
I think so. I want to learn to play the guitar.
The guitar? Wow, Paul, that is cool.
I have a guitar, but I don't know how to play it. It just sits in the corner.
Next year is the year. You can do it.
Thank you. I will try. Maybe I can play a song for the podcast.
Yes, our listeners would love that.
Okay, I need to practice first.
So we have the holidays, the food, the gifts, and the plans for the future.
It is a full time, a busy time, but a good busy.
It is a time to say thank you for the year.
Yes, we are thankful.
I am thankful for my friends and for you, Paul.
Thank you, Emily. I am thankful for you too, and for our listeners.
Yes, we have the best listeners in the world.
They work hard to learn English.
They do. And the end of the year is a good time for them to relax, too.
Yes, don't study too hard on Christmas Day.
Take a break. Watch a movie in English. That is fun study.
Or listen to a song in English.
Exactly. So, Paul, I am looking at the time.
Oh, is it time to go?
Almost, but we had a nice chat.
We did. I feel more festive now.
Me too. I am ready for the party.
And the pie.
And the pie.
So, let's remember what we talked about today. Just a quick chat to remember.
Good idea. So, Paul, you are going to have a recess, a break from work.
Yes, no work for 2 weeks, just resting.
And you are going to enjoy the festive mood, the lights, and the happy feeling.
Yes, and the traditions, my family dinner and my old movies.
And the food, turkey and potatoes for you.
And a barbecue on the beach for you.
Yes, sun and swimming.
And we talked about resolutions, our plans for the new year.
Like your guitar.
Yes, my guitar.
It sounds like a wonderful end of the year for both of us.
It really does. Relaxing and happy.
Paul, what do you think our listeners do?
I am very curious. Everyone has different traditions.
Yes, some people travel, some people stay home.
Some people like cold weather, some people like hot weather.
So we have a question for you.
Yes, please tell us in the comments.
What do you do at the end of the year?
Do you travel? Do you eat special food?
Do you sleep on the sofa like Paul?
Or do you go to the beach like Emily?
We want to know. Please write a comment.
We love reading your stories.
We do. And remember, next year we will have more podcasts for you.
Yes, Mr. English Channel will be here.
So please subscribe so we can see you next year.
And share this video with your family during your holiday party.
Great idea. Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. Be happy and safe.
Happy holidays, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.